You are welcome to the Lighthouse Creation channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all kinds of latest updates. Smartphones from the house of Xiaomi has touched the summit of popularity in Indian market since last year. All the features about this phone no doubt have moved the heart of the smartphone users of budget series. And in this sec, Mi Note 4 and differently pronounced Mi Note 4 is unique. Not in all, but some of the devices have recently popped up dispute regarding its display. The dispute is not so serious but irritating. Let's have a look at it. As you can see, there are blurred impressions of time, apps and Google widgets. As you can see, there are blurred impressions of time, apps and Google widgets. Whenever the screen is kept awakened for more than 55 seconds, surprisingly it takes an impression of its screen. And it will not go out even if you reboot your phone. Hope some of you have already noticed it. If not, then check it now. If you can't see it, you are lucky. But if you see it, I would like to suggest you to use darker or mostly black wallpapers to fix the problem. Actually, it gets not fixed. Rather, the screen looks pretty normal and stunning with the phone stylish physique. So today up to here was our tutorial class for you. Hope to see you on our next session soon. Thank you. Stay happy.